nagkakilala kami na parang magkapatid, ganon. Kuya Adi.
May true love sa pagiging kuya. Tawagan namin Ading, tapos Kuya Ryan, tapos naging love.
Oo, hindi ako attractive sa kanya, hindi ko siya crush. Siguro dahil nga kumilos na lang yung Lord na sa lahat ng mga ginagawa niya parang na-in love ka na. Ganun, parang nakikita mo na, okay, attractive pala tong lalaki na to. Suot-suot ka ng ganyan, sabi ko boxer shorts, hindi boxer lang. Loko ka, baka wala akong brief dun ha.
Hi CJ, Ading, Babe, Love. We have made it. It's been 1,728 days since naging officially tayo. 419 days nang get engaged. And now, I'm starting to count from 0 again as your husband.
Iyak ka na agad?
Ikaw ang pinakamatapang na lalaki na kilala mo.
Bakit?
Ka?
Hi, love. Gulat ka, no? Pwede ka bang mawalan ng gift? Kidding aside, this is it. Mahal na mahal kita. MMTT, smile lang RG.
I love you. I can't wait to marry you. Uy, your love, Ket. Gusto mo ah.
Thank you, love. I love you. I can't wait to see you.
So they are no longer two, but one. Therefore, what God has joined together, let man not separate.
You and
I remember praying to God na bigyan niya ako ng lalaki magmamahal sa akin ng totoo. A man who loves God and will lead me closer to Him. A man who will pursue me genuinely and intentionally. A man who loves his family. A man who loves his mom.
Love you, anak.
Love you, ma.
I prayed for someone na hindi lang magiging girlfriend, kundi magiging ministry partner, partner ko sa buhay, best friend. Ikaw ang nagpapatunay na ang sagot ni Lord ay hindi nauuna at hindi rin nauhuli. Palaging dumarating on time.
And lastly, I prayed for a man who is like my papa. I found all that in you, love.
you and left the world behind. You and all we know. It couldn't get better than this.
Palaging sinasabi ng mga mag-asawa na hindi palaging puro kilig o puro saya ang pagkasama. Darating din ang araw na hindi kasing saya ng mga naunang araw, pero ito lang yung mapapangako ko. Medyo gasgas na, pero hindi ako magsasawang sabihin sa'yo ng paulit-ulit. na ikaw at ikaw ang pipiliin ko sa araw-araw.
You and I left the world behind. You and for all we know.
Ngayon, sa pamamagitan ng kapangyarihan na ibinigay sa akin, buong karangalan kong ipinapakilala sa inyong lahat ang bagong kasal na sila Mr. and Mrs. Ryan at CJ Galard. Ryan, po pwede mo naghagka ng iyong asawa.
My RG Chuchu, my babe, my Ryan, my love, my life, my always. I love you and I will choose you every day.
Madalas man mag-away, pero hindi susukuan yung isa't isa.